Kasi ang plano ko dito sa account ko ngayon, gusto ko siyang i-terminate or i-delete and gagawa tayo ng bagong account. Okay? Kasi mas kabisado ko na yung pasikot-sikot ngayon and itong unang account na nagawa natin sa Buzzer, medyo may mga errors ako dito and makikita nyo dito sa notification marami tayong mga clip na inassess nila or na-identify na may violation. Itong mga videos na to, ito yung mga basketball team pa rin siya, pero yung videos ginamitan ng AI or artificial intelligence para ma-generate yung photos or videos. So tip yan guys, kung mag-upload kayo dito sa Buzzer Sports app, dapat umiwas kayo sa mga AI-generated content as much as possible. Gusto nila quality sports content talaga. Okay? Kasi ang nangyari dito, kung makikita nyo yan, mukha siyang Gundam or robot. Ginawa ko kasi dito, yung mga basketball shoes, parang prinompt ko yung AI na gumawa ng basketball shoes na magiging Gundam or robot. So parang ganun yung anime Gundam effect yung mangyayari. So hindi naman siya directly sports related. Kaya siguro na identify siya as a violation and hindi siya talaga considered as a sports related content or niche. Okay? Kaya ayun, may violation siya. Now, disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technology.